Welcome to the StatTree Help video module for data import. To run tests on your data in SPSS, your data must first be imported. SPSS can import data from a variety of formats. Here we will demonstrate importing an Excel file. In SPSS, go to File in the top menu, select Import Data, and choose Excel. Navigate to the location of your Excel data file and press Open. When the Read Excel File dialog box appears, select Data next to the Worksheet drop-down. The range for all non-empty cells should be displayed next to Data. Be sure you have checked the box next to Read Variable Names from the first row of data. Press OK. SPSS will generate an output in a new window. This output may be useful as it shows the code as a log of the commands conducted in the import procedure. You may want to copy this code for later use. You can close the output window. Your data will be loaded into the SPSS dataset window. At the bottom of the IBM SPSS Statistics Data Editor are two tabs: Data View and Variable View. Press the Data View tab and examine to be sure your data has been imported correctly from the Excel file. You will notice that in SPSS, the variable names appear as column names. When you press on the Variable View tab, you will notice that the variable names are listed in the first column. You will also notice that the Variable View tab looks like your code page in Excel. Before you make any changes, save the SPSS save file. Go to File in the top menu, choose Save. When the Save Data As dialog box appears, type in a file name. I suggest you use the same file name as the Excel file. Press Save. You will now want to make changes to the information in the variable view to match your code page in Excel. Copy the variable labels from your Excel code page into the cell under Label in SPSS next to the variable you want to label. Complete this task for each of the variables. Alternatively, you can open your Excel file, click on the Code Page tab, select the entire column under Variable Label, and copy and paste the label column in SPSS. Save your file. Next, you want to import your value labels in SPSS, but only for your nominal or ordinal data. In SPSS, click on the cell under Values next to the variable you want to label. Click on the ellipsis icon. When the Value Labels dialog box appears, type in the value and label in the appropriate box. Press Add. Do this for each value on a given variable. When you have completed adding all of the values for the variable, press OK. Repeat this procedure for each relevant variable. When you have completed all of the variable labels and values, save the file. You are now ready to use the SPSS file for data analysis. The procedures for importing data into SPSS can be run from an SPSS syntax file. The code for this can be copied from the new browser window when you press the script button on the sending page from the StatTree Help module.